Winters are such a hard time for our skin. Even oily skin like mine has been experiencing so much of dryness. It's like my skin has stopped producing oil altogether and it just feels dehydrated all the time. So skincare becomes a real challenge during the winters, and I cannot really keep using all the products that I was using in my skincare regime all year long during winters, and this is the time when you need to change up the products. From the face wash that you're using to the moisturizer that you're using, you need to change up everything. So I have the perfect range that you can try these winters. This is MamaEarth Honey Malai range, and I have the Honey Malai face wash along with the Honey Malai oil free moisturizer with me. Now I have already reviewed MamaEarth Honey Malai body lotion and I absolutely love it. It is so moisturizing, so nourishing and so rich. It's just perfect for the winters. It's perfect for dry skin and it just nourishes your skin so well. So when they introduced these new products, when they launched these face care products in the honey malai range, I really had to try them out. These products contain honey and malai. Malai, as we all know, is like the most nourishing, most moisturizing ingredient, and it makes your skin baby soft and supple. And honey is like our favorite ingredient from the kitchen. Honey is so soothing for the skin. It gives that healthy glow on your skin, and it's absolutely amazing for the skin. So I'm gonna give you a demo of both of these products and show you why they are so amazing for your skin. So I'm gonna start off with MamaEarth Honey Malai face wash first. Now this face wash has such a creamy texture. It is so creamy, it's so hydrating, and it's non-drying on the skin. Unlike all the other face washes which dry out your skin, this one helps to hydrate and nourish the skin while cleansing it. The creamy texture of the face wash leaves the skin buttery smooth and soft. It takes away all the dullness and leaves a fresh glow on the skin. So this face wash is great for dry skin and for the winters, and especially if you have flaky skin, you really need to try this. So after you wash your face, you need to moisturize your face to bring back all the hydration on your skin, and what's better than honey and malai. So I'm using this MamaEarth Honey Malai oil free moisturizer. This moisturizer is so lightweight, it's oil free, so it won't leave your skin oily or greasy, and it nourishes the skin so well. It restores all the hydration and adds a beautiful healthy glow to the skin. It deeply nourishes the skin without feeling greasy at all. I'm absolutely in love with how beautiful, healthy and radiant my skin looks, and it just feels so moisturized, so nourished and not at all greasy. So I absolutely love this Honey Malai range by MamaEarth, and I highly recommend this for the winters. It's suitable for all skin types. If you have dry skin, Malai is like the best ingredient for you. If you have oily skin, these products are like non-greasy and non-oily, so they're perfect for you. And this lotion is oil free, so it's suitable for acne prone skin and sensitive skin as well. These products contain honey, which is so soothing for the skin, so even if you have sensitive skin, you can still use them. They are amazing for the skin and they give you beautiful results. They are just perfect for the winters when your skin becomes all dry, dehydrated and dull. You really need to use these products to get that radiance, to get that hydration and moisture back into your skin. So in case if you want to purchase these, then they are available on MamaEarth's website and app, where if you use my coupon code RIYASHA2023, you'll get a 20% off. Apart from that, you can also shop them from Amazon, Nykaa or Flipkart. If you shop from MamaEarth's website, they link your order to a tree that they plant. Apart from that, these are also available offline at all supermarkets and general stores near you. So MamaEarth has both online as well as offline presence, and it's pretty much available everywhere. Also, these moisturizers are made safe certified. They are toxin free. They contain so many natural ingredients which makes them suitable for like all skin types, which makes them suitable for an everyday use. So I highly recommend you check out MamaEarth Honey Malai range. This is one of the best ranges by MamaEarth so far, and I absolutely love this. So that was my review on MamaEarth Honey Malai face wash and moisturizer. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.